Well, here's my parts car. 99 93 SE. Obviously, I've taken it apart a good bit already. Front seats are out. A whole bunch of other parts are out. Fenders are off. Bumper got knocked off in an accident. All the headlights and such got broken. I borrowed the wheels at one point, so the wheels from my base are actually on this right now. Right now, I came for the shifter body. Unfortunately, I already did that to it, which I probably shouldn't have. I probably should have just been a little more patient in taking it apart. Now, there's this. That's part of it. That might be the broken bit. So right now in my current 9.3, you turn the key, it's kind of hard, and you can't get it out of gear, which sucks. So, that might come in handy for reference, just to remember where I have to pull the lock cylinder out of the current one. Shift rod I don't need. Old fuel pump body and my tools I made to get it out. But right now, I'm looking for the locking plate. Where did the locking plate go? So the locking plate is part of the shifter body. And I would kind of like it right now, but I'm not sure where it went. Might even be on the other side or in the RP. So, anyway, here's my parts car. To be continued as far as fixing the once again broken base car that we drive. Seems to be breaking on a 2-month basis lately, but I still am addicted to Saab, and it's my only car, and gotta drive. So, of course, it's cold here in Wisconsin. Today's not so bad, but everyone knows Happy Boost season. And like, share, subscribe, and all that. Take it easy. Keep sobbing.